Hello everyone, welcome you all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a file using Firefox browser, right? So in the previous video, I have told you about how we can download the file using Chrome browser, and also I have shown you uh, if you want to download the file in desired location, how we can set the Chrome browser options through code. So that also I have shown you, and we'll continue the same thing here. So this is our code we have created in the last video. So here we have used Chrome browser, right? So now I'm going to show you the same thing by using Firefox browser, because this scenario is a little different from one browser to another browser. Let me just open this link, and in the Firefox browser. So this is my Firefox browser. So here I am just opening this particular link. Now observe the behavior, right? So when you try to open this link in the Chrome browser, it is directly downloaded everything, right? When I click on this download, here it is showing this pop-up window, right? So but in Chrome browser, we didn't see this window. So by default, the Chrome browser started downloading the file. But now this is the different stuff we have in the Firefox browser. Now what I can do is, while downloading the file through automation code, we can just make this window is disabled. Okay, or we can make the window is not appeared at the runtime. So automatically, as soon as I click on this generate file and click on the download, the file directly can be downloaded. And those settings we need to apply in the code itself, right? Now we'll see that how we can do this. So let's start writing the code for this. Now what I can do is I will just create one more Python file. So I will name it as a download file. So download file in Firefox browser, in Firefox, right? Now here the code is exactly the same. So for example, here we need to specify the import driver, we need to import, and after this till here, so creating the driver and the complete code is same. So let me just copy the complete code from here. So nothing is changed, but only additional settings we need to add. So but here currently we are using Firefox browser, right? So here instead of Chrome, we have to use a Firefox. So webdriver.firefox. So this is a browser we need to use, and even executable path also we need to specify the Jcode driver path. So this is your Jcode driver path. So drivers Jcode driver, and this is the name of the Jcode driver. So for now, just I am removing other options. So this is how we need to do normally, right? So when I click, specifying the location of your driver, we need to set driver is equal to webdriver.firefox browser, which I am going to use, and this is the location where your Firefox Jcode driver is present. And after this, I'll open this URL is same, maximizing the window, download the file, download the PDF file, everything is same. But here the new stuff is, as soon as here we click on the download, it will give you one window, right? Until unless we handle that window, the file cannot be downloaded, even in case of PDF file also. So what we need to do here is, we need to just in the Chrome browser we have added some settings, right, through automation code. Similarly, we need to also set some preferences to the browser, Firefox browser. Now let us see how we can apply the Firefox browser preferences. Now before creating the driver object itself, we need to first add some preferences. So how we can add those preferences is, we have special we need to create like a webdriver dot Firefox preferences. We have Firefox profile. Sorry, this is a Firefox profile object we need to create. In the WebDriver itself, we have a Firefox profile class, and for this we need to create one object. I will name it as a FP, means Firefox profile. And in this profile, I need to add all kinds of preferences, Firefox browser preferences. Now, what are those preferences? So first one is how we can add those preferences. We have a method called set_preference. So by using this method, we can add all kinds of preferences. So the main preference is, the first preferences will be like this. Let me just put the code here. So browser.helperapps.never ask to save disk, and here I am just specifying this for me. This is a one of the preference we need to set. Okay, so what the preference will do is, browser.helperapps.never ask to save disk. When I click on the download link, it will not ask you the whether we need to save the disk or not. So that window it is asking, right? So that window will be gone. So that particular window we can disappear or we can make disable by using this particular option. So browser.helper_apps.never_ask.save to disk, and which file when you are downloading which file we need to make disable. So there are two kinds of file we are downloading here. One is text file, right? So this is called as a MIME type. So in the Firefox, so we can download any kind of files, but each file have certain kind of MIME type. So here we can call as a MIME type. Let me write it here, MIME type. So if you are downloading the plain text file, we need to specify this called as a MIME type, text/plain. Or if you are downloading a PDF file, we need to specify application/PDF. If both are downloading in the same code, you can separate all the MIME types specifying the comma, right? So now this is a parameter and this is another value of this parameter. So we need to set this preference. And then other preferences is fp firefox.setPreference, and the other preference is browser.download.manager show when starting should be false. We make this as a false. So show when starting. So this is another preference. We need to make it as a false. And now we need to also specify the location where we want to download the files. So if you don't specify the location, by default the files will be downloaded in the default location, and whichever location is configured in the browser level, in that particular location the files will be downloaded. But now I want to download my files in my own location. So for that we need additional preferences called fp.setPreference, and here we need to specify one more preference called browser.download.dir. So this is a key parameter, browser.download.dir, and this is the location where I want to download the files. In the Chrome also we have used the same location, right? So let me just remove the old files. So currently this directory is empty. Now here this particular preference will take care of downloading the files in the desired directory or desired folder. And then we need to also specify two additional preferences along with these three preferences, that is browser.download.folderlist2 and pdf.js.disable is equal to true. Okay, so once we have added all these preferences, and then we need to also specify this preference fb. We need to pass that fb here when you're creating the driver object. But how we can pass it? So along with this executable path parameter, comma, and we need to also specify Firefox_profile is equal to, what is the profile object we created? FP, right? So then just specify the FP here. So Firefox_profile is equal to FP. So along with this executable path of the Jcode driver, we need to also specify the another attribute called Firefox_profile is equal to FP. So this FP object we created at the before as a Firefox profile object, and we have set all the preferences. Now as soon as we assign this FP object to the Firefox profile, now this driver whichever is open the browser, these all the preferences are applicable for that particular browser. Okay, now this is the settings we need to do, and rest of the code is same. Opening this URL here, this will maximize that window, and as I said in the previous video, we have written this particular code. So if you go and see here, and first we need to enter some value here, then generate file will be enabled, then click on the generate file, and download link will appear. When I click on the download link, the file will be downloaded. And but here if you do manually, this window will open, but through automation we have completely disabled this particular window. We have set some preferences to disable this particular window, so that will automatically download the files. And similarly this one will download the PDF files. When I provide some value here, generate file will be enabled. Click on the generate file, it will give you a download link. When I click on the download, again this will give you a pop-up window, but this pop-up window will be disabled at the runtime through automation code. Okay, now file will be downloaded. Alright, so now we have done everything with the Firefox. So here in the Chrome browser we call as a Chrome options, but in case of Firefox we call as a Firefox profile. There's the only difference, and here we say preferences. But in case of Chrome we call them as a options. Add experimental option we have added. Okay, now let us run this current code. I'm just executing the complete code on Firefox browser, Now currently I don't have any files in this location, right? Now let's run this code. Now it's getting failed again. Let's see why it is getting failed. So Firefox, yeah, it is a spelling mistake. So yes, here this is I. Okay, Firefox underscore profile. Now let's run this code. All right, so now it is launching the Firefox browser. It's maximizing this window. Then it is trying to download. You can see here, these are the files it is downloaded. See now at the top, it's not giving any window, save window, right? So this is a PDF file and this is a text file. Now we can go and see the location where you have mentioned. So this is the location where we have mentioned, right? And here you can see the files which are downloaded. All right. So this is how we need to download the files using Firefox browser, and also we can specify the desired location by adding the preferences for the Firefox profile object. Okay. So this is how we need to download the files using multiple browsers. Chrome browser we have seen in the previous video, and in this video I have shown you how to download the file using Firefox browser. So these preferences will be changed from one browser to another browser. Okay, so that's all for this video. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe my channel to get more updates on this. Thank you all.